asking how to play children's songs on guitar? Then you've landed in the right place. Let's jump straight in. I'm going to be showing you how to play the ABC song. I'm going to be using a guitar pick to pluck the strings, but it's okay to use your thumb. These are the frets here, so that's frets 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then these are the strings going down this way. So this would be string 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And the way that we get the notes to sound is by having the thumb on the back of the neck, pointing up towards the sky. And then we use our fingertip to push the string down. We pin it to the fretboard and then we pluck. Just like this.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
Okay, let's jump in and learn the notes. So I'm going to be bringing the tabs on screen so you can follow along. So we're going to start off on string 4. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, and X, Y, Z, or Z if you're in America. Now I've said my ABC. Tell me what you think of me. If you'd love to learn more fun songs like this, you can get a copy of my brand new book, Let's Learn Guitar Together, where you can learn and play 20 children's songs. The link to this book is in the comments. I had so much fun today teaching you these songs. I know you're just going to be amazing at this. So keep practicing it. And I will love to hear your playing someday. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.